are ready for circle time. So let's go ahead and get started by standing and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand that's on our heart goes up to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. Today is the 19th day of March. Tomorrow is the 20th, which is the first day of spring. There it is. And the 21st is Sunday. And I thought the 21st was first day of spring, but I looked on Google and it said no, the 20th. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Hold up, friend. Now you clap. Nope. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn.
Sunday and Monday, and Tuesday and Wednesday, and Thursday and
Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and today is Friday, March 19th, 2021. Taking a look at our pattern, we have three of everything. So we have three hats, 1, 2, 3, and then we have three clovers, 1, 2, 3. So remember, three of everything. So let's say it together, starting with the hats. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hat, hat, hat. Clover, clover, clover. Hats. Because we already have three clovers. 1, 2, 3. Now we need hats. Hats. That gives me 2 hats. How many hats do I need? 3 hats. There's my 3 hats. I'm going to go ahead and put our star here because we'll be back here on Monday. All right, we predicted snow today. Is it snowing? No, it's pretty chilly, but it's not cold enough to snow. What kind of weather is outside? It is so windy outside. I thought I was going to get blown away. Very, very windy. What about tomorrow for our Saturday? What kind of weather are we going to have? Sunny. That sounds good. I could go for some sunny weather. We ready to say our alphabet together? Here we go, everyone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, good, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're going to count to 20. Put those arms out there and flap them up and down like you're a bird. Flap it, flap it, flap it. Give yourself a hug. Touch your nose. Touch your head. Touch your feet. Hands and lap. And here we go, counting 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting backwards from 10. Let me hear you. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Blast off. I only hear 2 of my friends today. All right, taking a look at some shapes. What shape is pink? Heart. Excellent. What shape is brown? Square. What number is this? What number? 2. What number? 8. What number?
8.
What's this one? 10. What 2 numbers make up 10? 1 and a 0. Ready? What's this one? 9. This one? Big boys? 6. Good job. I hear you. What number is this? 7. What is it?
7.
I can't hear you back there, Mia.
7.
There we go. What number is this?
5.
5. This one? 1. 4. 3. And we're looking at our letters. We've done the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U. Can you hear you back there? Let me hear you. Magic C. Let me hear C. Oh, I'm not even hear my friend in the back. C. This one. O. Good. Everybody. Q. Not J. G. What is it? G and F. What is our letter this week? J. J for jumping. J for Justice League. And these things in the background? Jelly beans. All right, we're going to get our map, and you're going to tell us how to make the letter J today on your own. Think about where we start those letters. Super slow internet today. There it goes.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Is this the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Is it the top?
Good job. I love how we reach to the top of our mat. Here's the bottom. Go down. Excellent.
Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the
Good
middle.
job.
Top, bottom. Shake it in the
My
middle.
friend shaking
Where do
it.
you start your letters at the top? Raise it. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Touch the top of your mat.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
That's right.
If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, So high. Is this the top? It's the zero. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Alright, nice job. So when we make the letter J, we don't have pieces, we trace it with our finger. So your voices are turned off, your listening ears are on, your hands are in your lap, and I say, big line down, turn, frog jump up, little line across the top. What letter did I make? J. Alright, it's your turn. Let me see you guys do it.
Ready? Fingers at the top. And you say it. Turn. Frog jump up. Little line across the top.
Good job. Are you turning here?
No.
No. Are you turning here?
No.
No. Where do we turn? At the bottom. We make sure we're turning when our fingers at the bottom. And then do we just move our hand up to the top? What do we have to do? We have to do that
That's
jump
right.
up. Good job. Make sure we're jumping up. All right. That's perfect. Thank you guys for joining us for Circle Time today. Have a great weekend.